to Midford Pottery. Little video for you tonight will be a new toy which we are going to try for the first time. So we'll get the camera on it so you can see. And the new toy is the Shimpo RK-5T desktop whale, mini whale. We'll get you closer so you can have a look. There you go, mini whale, water ready, clear ready, just over 500 grams of clear. Get you back on the tripod. Can you see in the picture there? We'll get you up a bit. I'll try not to get in the way. We'll see what it's like. It's a decent weight physically. Zoom in a bit, I think. So, never thrown standing up before either. So. See how different it is to a full-blown whale. So we'll get it stuck on the bat. Cone up. Seems to handle that okay. Centre down. It's centered okay. Break in. Water in. And we'll open it out. Compress the base. We'll collar it in. Slow the wheel a touch. Right. Try our first lift, if you can see. So first lift okay, compress the top. So, how are you doing there? Can you see? I think we'll move you a bit closer, eh? Get you a bit closer, get you in on the action. Like so, better. There, right. So first throw, and we'll do a couple couple of more lifts. It's weird getting used to standing. Getting used to standing while you're throwing instead of. I'll just compress this top. Tell you what I do need a sponge. I need a sponge. I'll just collar that in a bit. Bit of water on. Can you see okay? My hand seems to be blocking it. Tell you what, I think they need to be on the other side. 2 seconds, I'll just move the camera around. Yeah, that's a bit better. Maybe let's see what I'm doing now. So we'll try for another lift. Push in. At the top, get my sponge on a stick. Sponge on a stick. That's it. Compress the top. Now we'll try for another lift. All the way at the bottom, push in, get that lump of clear. Lift it up. To the top. I think that's it. That's a nice shape. Get a stick. And a leather. We need a leather. Leather the top off. Like so. And we'll trim the bottom off. Get rid of this bit here. All the way down to the wheel, like so. Get rid of this excess here. Like that. It's not too bad, is it? an undercut in ready. Like so. Very nice. A nice mug. Clean our insides. Like that. Clean our back up like that. Wipe our hands. So, first impressions. It's a bit whiny. Goes a canny old speed. I can handle making them cups no bother, which is a good thing. That's it. What we're going to do with the cup, cut it off, put it on a bat, get a bat, mini bat, put that up there ready. I'll actually put it to one side ready, and cut off wire, I was going to try and, should we do a spiral? Should we go spiral mug? We'll have a go, eh? Does this go slow enough, does it? No, it doesn't go slow enough. Need to be on the big wheel for that. We'll cut our losses because that's a nice shaped mug. Possibly a wee bit thick, but twisted cut off wire. Get that going through like that. Stop that. Clean our hands. Cup like that and like that, and then we go like that. So there you go, mug awaiting handle. So the Shimpo RK-5T portable potter's wheel. I think it's okay for my first attempt. Seems I'm pretty happy with that. Good bit of kit. It's heavy, it's stable, don't move about, which is good. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, and get in the picture. I'll tilt you up a bit. There we are. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye. So, like, subscribe, comment below, all the YouTube stuff. Catch us in the next video where we'll do some more of this.